What if I told you that simple, natural, and delicious juices can help flatten your belly, reduce water retention, and even boost your energy? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 juice recipes that will transform your routine, from an appetite-suppressing juice to a powerful formula for bloating and upper stomach relief. Made with ingredients you already have at home, they're practical, quick, and full of benefits. Want to know how to get these results without complication? Stay until the end, because number 1 is surprising and will make all the difference. These juices are rich in fiber, vitamins, and natural compounds that help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and control hunger. All the recipes are designed to be simple, accessible, and made with ingredients you can easily find. Shall we start with number 5? In 5th place, we have the appetite-suppressing and weight loss juice. It's perfect for those who want to control hunger and boost weight loss. You'll need 1/2 chopped carrot, 1/2 apple with skin and no seeds, juice of 1/2 lemon, 3 slices of ginger, ground cinnamon to taste optional, and 250 milliliters of cold water. Just wash the carrot, ginger, and apple well, place everything in a blender, and blend for about 5 minutes until smooth. Serve immediately, without straining, to keep all the fibers and nutrients. If you like it sweeter, add a touch of honey or stevia. Try it out and tell me in the comments how it turned out. Now, in 4th place, the eggplant and orange juice, a powerful combo to reduce bloating and improve digestion. The ingredients are juice of 1/2 lemon, 1 peeled orange, 1/2 cup diced eggplant, 1/2 small carrot diced, sweeteners such as stevia, honey, or molasses to taste, and 200 milliliters of cold water. Wash all ingredients well, put everything in a blender, add the water and sweetener, and blend for 5 minutes. Serve without straining, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Consume 3 to 5 times a week for best results. Have you ever tried eggplant in juice? Tell me in the comments. We've reached 3rd place, the belly flattening juice. This one is ideal for those looking to reduce bloating and feel lighter. You'll need 3 slices of pineapple, 5 slices of cucumber or carrot, kale leaves, mint to taste, juice of 1/2 lemon, and 200 milliliters of water. Wash all ingredients well, place in the blender and blend for 5 minutes. Serve without straining and drink immediately, preferably 2 to 3 times a week. Don't store it, because freshness makes all the difference. Pineapple and kale are an unbeatable duo, right? Let me know if you're going to try this one. In 2nd place, the juice for water retention, perfect for those who suffer from bloating. The ingredients are 3 kale leaves, fresh or frozen, pulp of 1 passion fruit, fresh or frozen, 3 slices of ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 200 milliliters of water. Place everything in the blender and blend well for 5 minutes. Serve immediately, without straining, to get all the benefits. Consume 2 to 3 times per week, always fresh. Passion fruit and ginger together are amazing to relax and reduce bloating. Who's adding this one to their routine? And now, the big highlight, in 1st place, the juice for a bloated belly and upper stomach, simple, but surprisingly effective. You'll need 1 chopped apple, 125 milliliters, 1/2 cup of cold water, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Blend the apple with water, pour into a glass, add the baking soda and stir well. Drink right away, preferably on an empty stomach or as an afternoon snack, 2 to 3 times a week. Important: consult a nutritionist before using regularly to ensure it's safe for you. This juice works fast, right? Let me know in the comments if you already knew this recipe. These 5 juices are incredible allies for anyone looking to reduce bloating, control hunger, and feel lighter. They're easy to make, affordable, and can be added to your routine starting today. Which one will you try first? The appetite-suppressing juice or number 1 for a bloated belly? Tell me in the comments. And if you're looking for more simple and delicious recipes to help you lose weight without giving up flavor, the Slim Savor eBook, 30 Easy Global Recipes to Lose Weight Without Sacrificing Taste brings you amazing, super easy dishes to make. The link is in the description. Check it out later. If you like these recipes, give it a like, share with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips like these. See you next time.